stop and look at them, because you might have a secret under the hood, and this one had a seriously cool secret under the hood. Have not seen the latest giveaway from my other brand, Horsepower Sweepstakes. Let me just give you a little sneak peek. Check it freaking out. So here's the deal. We are missing one part. The Holley System Max intake is back ordered till the 27th. It is ordered. It will be here as soon as it gets back in stock from Holley. But this is what you get, guys. AFR 185 aluminum heads for small block Ford. Vortech Supercharger. Yeah, all brand new, ready to go. And of course the Anderson matched Supercharger cam, and of course the Holley System Max intake, which will be the powder coated black, super sinister look. But guys, this is the new Horsepower Sweepstakes. Hit the link below, grab your key tag. You are automatically entered to win this entire kit. It's not just one, it's all four. Head over there, grab your entry. It's a limited time. Don't miss out. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, the word is this thing that's been sitting since a long time. A couple years, I guess. Yeah. It's got some seriously old school parts on it. But look at this. God, ain't no telling how. It's got flowers growing on it.
Yeah, got that moss on it.
Let's check this thing out. All right, for all my OGs. Yeah, HI 2000. God, I remember those. Look, those are those comp polymer valve covers. What? And the GT40. Look, old school BBK 65mm throttle body. And then, hold on, we got to get a close up. Yeah, does it run? Yeah. Look, guys, all my OGs, y'all remember that these things bring huge money on eBay. Maybe. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. See how long it takes. Trying to idle. Check the interior of this thing out. Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Yeah, you see the cobwebs? Holy crap. There's no telling how long that. Look at the seats. Got some rotted out old Flowmasters. I'm telling you, you just never know when you find when you find these old cars, like what's gonna be the deal. But
lots of history in it.
Very much, yeah. You can tell this thing was built in the 90s. Wow.
This seems like a good car.
Look, it's got the old school blue underdrive crank pulley on it. I haven't seen these valve covers in a long time. I don't even know when they quit making them.
Got the big crane coil too.
Sure enough. Crane Fireball. Do they even make those anymore? Is the head stock on it? Those might be aluminum.
I can't remember what was on. I think they were stock.
Yeah, I think the shine that was coming through was just grease. I don't know. Those look different. You see how the flange didn't flush against the block?
Ain't no telling what they are.
No. Oh yeah, look at the head bolts.
Uh-huh.
Wonder what in the world these are.
Can't see nothing on them.
Yeah, they got a lot of oil leaking from the...
Cast. They're not aluminum.
Maybe some of those old school World products or something.
Could be.
That is crazy. Alright guys, so the point of this video, other than showing you all these freaking epic old school parts, is this convertible's literally been sitting in a guy's yard. I don't even know how long. Literally all the paint's like burned off. There's an inspection. Expires 99. That was the last Mississippi inspection. But I mean, that is crazy. But you see this old vert and you're like, it's a vert, I'm not really interested. But the reason I'm doing this video is, guys, you don't ever know what's under the hood. That's got some seriously cool old school parts on it. And even if the car didn't run or drive, I mean, you got an 8.8, it is an auto, so but engine runs good. And again, you don't ever know what's gonna be hiding under the hood of one of these things when you go and look at it. I mean, yeah, it definitely is gonna need everything, but I mean, if you need a parts car or just, you know, whatever, stop and look at them, because you might have a secret under the hood. And this one had a seriously cool secret under the hood. All right guys, so there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. For my OG guys, I know you guys like seeing those old parts. That was like, that takes you back to the day. But and if you don't know, go look up some of those old Pro-M intakes. The GT40s, everybody knows, bring a lot of money. I mean, just some super cool old school stuff. And like, if we got the thing in the air, ain't no telling what's under it either. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.